मैंने फाइनली इस कैमरे का उद्घाटन कर लिया, थैंक्स सिद्धि। और हमने पूरा रूम फैला दिया। कल रात को मैं पहुंची थी एंड कल रात को मैं पहुंची और मेरे में बिल्कुल हिम्मत नहीं थी कि मैं कुछ भी रिकॉर्ड करूं। इवन माय फ्रेंड सुमन वो भी इतनी टायर्ड थी कि वो मुझसे ज़्यादा थकी हुई थी। शी हैड जस्ट कम्प्लीटेड हर ट्रैक फ्रॉम माउंट अगुंग। तो हम कल अगुंग होके सो गए। Now I've woken up, it's 1st of June. I came here on 31st on a full moon. That means I am bringing change into my life. Yay! And now we are late. So we quickly gonna get ready. I'm gonna complete my meditation and then check in to our first location. I'll see you there.
God, my hair is so wet. Oh, good. Wait.
अच्छा, you can see yourself, yes.
I can see myself.
आगे हाय हेलो बोलो कि vlog है ये.
I'm so happy you are here. Yay!
From Shimla to Bali.
Shimla to Bali.
We both used to live in Mumbai. We met in Shimla for a project, and we are in Bali together.
Whoop whoop. अभी तो full hyper होगा सारा माहौल.
That's the makeup I did, and I like it. Finally, हम इस कमरे से बाहर निकले. This is the view. This is called Yoga Barn, and I've just seen this much क्योंकि मैं रात को लेट आई थी. But it's pretty. And we're saying bye bye to this cozy guest house where she was living for more than a month. It's 12:10. चलो भूख लगी है.
2,000 years later.
I went for the massage yesterday thinking कि oh nice चलो. मुझे ये नहीं पता था मुझे इतने steps उतरने पड़ेंगे और वहाँ पे steps चढ़ने पड़ेंगे for the massage. Oh God. Look at this artwork, it's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yo, Rama.
Mount Agung.
Oh my God. So
Wow.
this is how we stay, yeah. The whole guest house, especially for yoga barn people.
How huge is Yoga Barn?
Huge, I'll show you now.
Can you?
Ah, I can.
Like this? Puck.
Because it's a flat surface now from there.
Pretty pretty.
Wow, yeah. Like a bamboo structure. Look at this. This is where they practice Qigong.
Qigong is?
Yeah, Qigong is a Chinese meditational practices.
I wish यार कि मैं थोड़ा सा पहले या थोड़े और दिनों के लिए आई होती so that we could have stayed and I could have done meditation here.
Meditation, yoga, look at this. Everywhere. This is a spa. चलो चलो सामने योदा देखो. It's so peaceful and everywhere you go in Bali now, you hear this river sound.
It's actually very peaceful.
Mr. Yoda.
We're staying in a very sexy place for a month, bro.
Obviously, that's why I was like.
These are all the events.
So these are all the events that they conduct here. And I really wanted you to like attend one of the yin yoga classes, but I don't think we have time. So come. This is our studio.
Explain yoga.
हाँ, this is our studio. ये ऊपर classes होता है. ऊपर है, नीचे है. This is where I relax after my yoga classes.
Yeah, I feel like I'm too dressed up.
No, you're
Everybody's
chill.
Yoga chill.
See, that's one cafe, and then above that there is another cafe, and we'll have something from here.
Okay.
And come, I'll show you around. Come. This is a huge studio. Then down there also there is a studio. This is the reception.
I want to take a session or something. Please.
I was telling you, come now. Come here. I'll show you something. Good morning. Hi, everyone. Hello. See, now everyone will come to you. Hello. Good morning, babies. Look at that. How are you guys doing? This is my last day at Yoga Bar. I'm gonna go now. Yeah. Hi. One fish. Let me touch it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You wanna touch it?
नहीं मैंने टच तो किया था एक बार. ये बिग बॉय है ना ये वाला. जैसे आता है सामने और फिर टच करने देता है. कम. Oh no, steps आ गए. So यहाँ पे भी अलग अलग ऐसे गेस्ट हाउसेस है, स्टूडियोज है.
Could have stayed one more day in Yoga Bar only.
मैं तो बोल ही रही थी.
You booked Indu in
फिर
the.
मैंने बोला ठीक है अभी इंदा में ही रहेंगे. आज हाफ डे काफ़ी है यहाँ पे. वॉक के लिए बहुत अच्छा है ये टू बी ऑनेस्ट. यहाँ पे कुछ क्लासेस हो ही रहा है आई गेस. बुलाओ इनको, फिश को बुलाओ, आएंगे देखो. अरे डॉग थोड़ी ना है वो. हेलो हाय एवरीवन. See how they're running to us. Hello babies.
They're expecting food. Where is
Yeah, वो गार्डनर ऐसे ही बुलाता होगा ना. But at least they can hear us. You see how even underwater they can hear us.
We'll also just do that. We'll be like them.
वहाँ पे the fish will not like give a fuck.
No,
They
we
don't-
will be the fishes, no?
हाँ, they
Underwater.
will be like oh humans in the water. Okay.
You see, my back is like this right now.
अरे अभी अच्छे से See. यहाँ पे भी this is also a studio. Inside there is a studio. You just like relax here.
One thing I like about everybody is everybody greets each other.
Yeah.
India में ना, I'm not. I've come to a point कि सामने से कोई जा रहा होगा ना तो मैं नीचे मुंह करके निकल जाऊंगी because मुझे लगता है अगर मैं सामने गुड मॉर्निंग विश करूंगी तो एटीट्यूड मिल जाएगा. यहाँ ऐसा नहीं है.
नहीं यहाँ पे everyone wishes you, but not everyone to
It's
be
not
honest.
India, no, not
There
for
are
India.
some people who do not wish you here also. मेरे साथ हुआ है.
मुझे मतलब
तो
अच्छा लगता है चलते फिरते
हाँ.
लोगों को गुड मॉर्निंग गुड नाइट करना.
हाँ
But then I'm
चलो अभी वापस. कुछ खाएंगे? अंदर तो अलाउड नहीं है ना, वहाँ पे स्टूडियो है क्योंकि.
हमने रैंडमली डिसाइड किया था.
रैंडमली डिसाइड किया और ये आ गए तो मैंने कहा चल चलते हैं.
I swear, one thing that I really like about this place is it feels like everybody around me is somewhat like me. I love to go to classes. I love to journal. I love to meditate. A, I feel that I am overdressed. Like, not overdressed, fancy dressed. Everybody's in like yoga outfits. B, I really like this place because I feel I found like-minded people. Everybody here is taking different classes. She used to take a lot of classes. I don't have time, otherwise I wanted to experience this, but we are checking out from here today. People are taking classes, going for a walk, they're journaling, meditating. Oh, I feel like staying here. But it's just the first day. I'll explore more. ये चल नहीं रही है.
क्यों नहीं चल रही है? अरे चल ही नहीं पा रही हुई. देख बैंड
Let's go now.
बैंड ही नहीं हो रहा पैर.
ओ फक, ये भर गया तब क्या करेंगे हम?
कैसे फिर जाएगा? हाय.
It's just
Going to our
120 GB.
favorite resort.
Favorite?
I think it's gonna be my
Sorry?
Yeah. Yeah, Bamboo in the resort. Yes.
Here we deal in millions. It feels rich. I'm paying 81,000 just for the cab. It's like that.
1,000?
81,000 for the cab.
Rupaya.
Rupaya.
81,000 rupaya.
This feels a little 5-star version of Goa.
Yeah, exactly.
The whole city.
We call it the big brother of Goa. Yeah, big brother of Goa. Because it's more developed. The city is more developed than Goa. The roads are well made. And there's more tourists here. So income is better. Here we are in our Bamboo in the resort, which is extremely amazing, by the way, guys. Look at these cute little elephants. Oh my god, and a pig. Hi, what is this? Is this a shop?
Yes.
Oh, beautiful. Wow, look at this. I feel like I've come back to Flintstone. Yeah, it reminds me of Flintstone era. Okay, I love the interior here. This is one of the restaurants here. Wow. Check that out. It's beautiful. Yay, let's go. Looks beautiful. So we enter from here. Okay. Hey! It is so beautiful. Look at this. I feel like I'm in Flintstone. Is this the dove room you were talking about? Oh, so this is a dove room, by the way. We are two doves. Not lovebirds, but doves. This is a cute little room. Do we have a bathtub? Oh. Okay. This is our mini kitchen right here. Okay. Wow. This is our safe. And this is our bathroom. Check this out. That's me. Different place to live in. Open shower.
And then here we have a mini bar. The mini bar free just for one time. And then here we have a safety box. And then here we have a air light also. Maybe you cannot sleep in the night. And then we have a mosquito electric also. And this is light for the night. And then here we have a mosquito washing also. Yeah. And then go here.
Nice. Okay.
Your bathroom.
We are going to check out the property now. Let's see. It's a big property though. Hannah? It's a huge property. Yeah. Oh yeah, there's the baby ducks are. Oh, so cute. This is that pool, open pool. And the rice field over here. And then they have this open pool for us. It's a natural pool. But they put some chlorine to keep it clean. Doesn't look that deep.
Maybe in 2 minutes.
My shower room for see what's in there. Ooh, it's like a cave. It reminds me of the Mummy. Oh my god. Shit, where did I come? Oh no. Fuck. Are you kidding me? You wanna go? What is this place? Okay. A restaurant. This is the elevator. Where's my friend? I'm here. What happened to the elevator? Then
We were here. I was waiting for you.
I came all the way from there to here.
अरे यार.
How many people at once?
3 people first. Yeah.
Okay, you go. Bye. Look at this elevator. You don't want to experience it?
Huh?
Look at the elevator.
Yeah. Please do not operate without having an operator present.
Lift to Riverside. Hi, thank you. Okay, we've come out of the lift now. Shit. We go from here?
No, there.
What is
straight.
that?
We have a cave and the bathroom also there.
Can I check it out?
You're sure? You can go first.
It's like a... Oh wow. It's a bathroom. It's a cave.
No, here is the cave.
Quite scary for me.
Ooh.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Can you go check out the bathroom?
Yeah.
Bro, I can never go to this washroom. I
Where
can
is-
know.
Wow, this is so cool, but let's go.
Oh my god.
This reminds me of the Mummy.
Wow.
This is not a bathroom. This is a cave.
The cave. The bathroom is here.
Okay.
What is this cave for?
Sorry?
What is ऐसे बैठने के लिए?
Just to hang out.
Just for for owner. Just for the owner. Yeah.
What kind of fantasies this owner has?
Sorry, the bathroom is there. Is here.
It's okay.
Yeah. I think that's the photo we saw.
Yeah. Okay. Bye. I'm good. I'm not seeing the bathroom. Oh my god. How is it? Wow. What is this place? Oh my god. Where are you? I saw this commode. Spotted the commode.
You just go into the cave to get the commode.
This is so cool. Wow. So there are like how many commodes are there? And this is the shower room.
Yeah, this is the shower room.
Okay. Wow. Cool.
Scary.
How do you maintain this?
Sorry?
How do you maintain it?
Maintain.
Yeah. Do people come here?
I need to look for the bathroom here because this is for access the yoga.
Okay.
The yoga shala.
This is the yoga shala.
You need help.
ठीक है ना यहीं से देख लेगा मैं योगाशाला. She wants an open bathtub. देख लो सारी इंडियन फैंटेसीज यहाँ पे आके पूरी होने वाली है. This is the योगाशाला. Nice.
What's downstairs? Again the yoga class?
Yeah, yoga shala. Also, we have a 2 floor for the yoga shala.
अरे बेचारी. Mount Agung still happening in your
Yeah. यहाँ पे जहाँ पे भी जाओ ना steps तो है ही. You can't help it.
You want me to help you with
Where is she taking us?
Where are we going?
What is this? This is so beautiful.
This is only for picture. This is the Mina.
Oh wow.
Yeah. This is here.
Very pretty.
हाँ चलो ना. It's for pictures ना इसका तो.
We'll take
Look
it
at this
later,
guys.
na?
I am crossing.
We'll take it later tomorrow.
Okay. Wow. Why are we going down?
The river. Yeah, the river, and then we have a restaurant also there for the breakfast.
Wow, look at this. So beautiful. बहुत बड़ी प्रॉपर्टी बुक कर ली यार. I like it too. But मेरे को मज़े नहीं मिल पा रहे. Wow, look at this.
And right now her body is all sore.
Yeah. I can't walk straight because of the soreness. अरे यार. Oh my god. जब ऐसा कुछ होता है तो तुम्हें पता चलता है the value of your body. Spiral? What do you mean by spiral?
Let me go in. Spirals there.
Okay, let's go anyway.
Like this.
Better.
Easier.
Huh? Down. We are going down more.
Yeah.
Oh, what? When is this property?
I am also thinking ki wrong slippers.
Go slowly, okay? If you're going from there.
Tell you this to yourself.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Wow, Suman. I want to do all that. Whatever these kids are doing, I want to go into that water. Fuck, bro. I
Oh
want to
wow! Look at that. That's so cool.
I think we
Yeah.
I want to go in that water. That means we have to come back again.
We'll come when the sun is a little bit down.
This is giving me trippy. This is what I wanted. I wanted water.
Wow, you have like real river
We will be needing your assistance once again.
Yeah, sure.
We can't come here alone.
You won't remember. I think half my vlog will be this.
I love the river.
Wow, just look at the property. I so want to jump into this water. Or like sit somewhere with my feet in the water. Okay, and I am exhausted. Nangu? No! We just did the sauna and I don't know if I can do it. And I could not do the cold plunge क्योंकि वो अभी available नहीं है. But I'm just gonna jump in the pool.
आधा ब्लॉग हमने बीच में खा लिया बिकॉज वी वर एक्चुअली इंजॉइंग एंड वी enjoyed a lot. We went for sauna, then we went for that pool जिसका वीडियो मैं फ़ोन से लिया है, वो डालूंगी. एंड I feel very relaxed.
Yeah.
And this is our room. Oh, we showed this property. Yeah, we did.
But no,
We did.
this is called Dove.
Yeah.
Because we are little doves. Look at this.
This is actually a romantic spot. Suman,
Yes,
what are we
okay,
doing
so
here?
what? We are two sisters in love with each other.